everyone, welcome back to Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into your account on Bank of America. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. Click open your web browser first. As soon as you do that, go to the search box at the top and type in www.bankofamerica.com and make your search. You'll end up in the official website of Bank of America, which looks like this. Now, if you'd like to log into your account, you can easily go ahead and enter your credentials in the text boxes appearing at the top left. If you don't have an account yet, you can enroll first by quickly clicking on this enroll link and follow the instructions in order to create a new account. If you already have an account and you'd simply like to log in quick and easy, enter your online ID in the first text box and head over to the next field and type in your passcode. Now, if you'd like the system to remember your credentials, then you can click on Save Online ID box right here and leave it checked before clicking on the sign in button. But if you are using a public or a shared device, make sure to uncheck this box before signing in case you've forgotten your ID or your passcode and don't remember it at all during the sign-in moment. You can click on Forgot ID or Passcode link right below the sign-in box, follow the instructions to look for your ID or to reset your password. Once you're done entering all the credentials, click Sign In and you'll be logged in to Bank of America in no time. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.